Hello, Julie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for joining me. If you enjoy this video, I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel, and for those that are already subscribers, thank you very much. If you do enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Okay, so today I'm going to have a flip through of the second freebie for this month. This is this coordinates perfectly with my Blue Christmas 1 digital kit that I have got available in my Etsy and my Ko-fi shops. And these are just a few extra sheets of embellishments. So we've got a page with 2 pockets, so these are coordinating pockets, so you could have one on the left, one on the right if you're on your open spread. We've also got some little labels down the bottom here. We have 2 envelopes here, a small rectangular envelope and then the this pointy type style envelope. We have some frames, so an oval frame, a rectangular frame, a page. You can put this on the bottom as a decoration, or you can have it as a tuck or any of those sorts of things. You could use it on as an embellishment on something. And we have some labels there. Those labels are all the same, 5 of them. We have a coin envelope here. We have a doily here, and we have 3 labels there. Another set of opposing pockets. Different print on this one, so that one's got the gold bits in it. So that's that one. Here we have some more frames, some smaller frames this time. Another pocket, a specimen slide and some labels, 2 different sizes in the labels. And 2 more coin envelopes and some more labels there. So that's the little freebie kit. I'm going to go and cut these up, and then I'll be back and we'll put some of them together. Okay, so I've cut everything up and I've assembled everything, and now I'm just going to give you a quick flip through of what's in there. So there are heaps of labels. So let's have a look. We've got 3. I don't know if you can actually see them. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of that shape in various sizes, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of that shape. They're all the same size. Okay, we have got a, gone out of my head, specimen slide. So that's that. I have put the acetate in there, but I'll wait and see what I want to put in there before I actually stitch around that. And we have a doily. I would wrap that around a page probably. That's what I'll do in my journal. So we've got this envelope, and I have stitched and inked, and I've inked the inside so that it's not white. So there's that one, so that's one envelope. Here we have a coin envelope. Once again, I've stitched around it and inked around it and inked in the lip. We have one of these pointy style envelopes. I've done the same for all of them. I've inked around the edges of them, I've stitched around the edge of them, and I've inked the insides where they need it. Here's another coin envelope. I do stitch around these after I have assembled them, so I do lose a little bit of real estate in the pocket, but not enough to worry about, I don't think. So that's those 2, and I've got another one here. It's got Santa's coat on it, so that's the same. thing. So that's 3 there. I've got one of these page edges stitched across the top. Now I've got an assortment of frames. I have put acetate in these and I've backed them with some coffee dyed paper. So these are ready to go. I would just stick some sort of embellishment on there and attach it to a page, or you can pop it in a pocket. You know, you could even pop it in an envelope like so. So that's one frame. So that's got the oval centre. This is a square one, and this one I have backed that with some coffee dyed paper and left the backing showing through here, so that when I attach something to the front, like a sticker or something like that, you don't see through it, whereas this one you will see through it. Sorry about the phone. This is a larger oval frame. Now my stitching was not the greatest around here, so I'm debating whether to unpick that and just leave it without stitching or what to do there. But yeah, that's a large one with the see-through. And this is the large rectangular one that is completely see-through, and of course I have stitched around there, but I can see that I can see a bit of this backing up there, so I might, I will trim that up. Now there's an assortment of pockets in here. I have folded them all up, stitched around them. Now that is a single one, I think, but these two are a matching pair. So you've got one for your right side page and one for your left side page. So you could have them on a double page opening. And these two are the same. So you've got your right hand page and your left hand page. So they'd go like that. So that's it for this little freebie, all cut up and ready to use. So I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I encourage you to pop over to my Ko-fi site. I'll put the link to this freebie in the description box. So yeah, pop over, pick it up, have a play, and yeah, thank you for watching the video, and I hope you can join me when I post my next video. Okay, bye.